Hello, yeah, over here I'm going to be showing you how to create your header image using Elementor, right? A header that spans from the beginning to the end of your dashboard. So I'm first of all going to click on page. So we're just going to go over to our pages. All right, from there we're going to see create page. We're going to see add new page. All right, once you go to your page, you see add new page there. All you have to do is to click on it, and then it's going to take you to your new page creation where you can create a new page. So here's it. All right, you just scroll down and you see add page title. This is the title of the page, the name of the page. I'm just going to go ahead and add header header page as a text page. Since we are using this as a text page, we're just going to add header page. Now, not fully about that, we are using Elementor. As you can see, Elementor is installed on our website. That's why you are seeing edit with Elementor here. I'm going to go ahead and publish. So we've got publish this page. All right, once you create the page, you have to publish it. And to know that your page is already published, there will be a URL showing to your page. All right, so I'm zooming in. That's our URL. This is the permanent link. That's to show that the page has already been created. Now, the next thing we need to do now is to edit with Elementor, because we want to edit this page with Elementor, and we're going to create our header using Elementor. So I'm going to go over to, all right, I'll remove that. I just have to click on Elementor. All right, so once you click on Elementor, Elementor is going to load up. All right, it's going to load up in a new window entirely. So I'm going to wait for it to finish loading up. All right, so here's our Elementor. So the first thing we need to do now, we are going to have to, drag our page we're going to build. All right, this is our layer, the structure. So click on this particular first one, because we are going to put one full image that is going to span from the beginning to the end. So that's the layer we're going to use. Now the width, we are going to stretch this width to the highest. I'm just going to go over and drag the width. All right, make it to the highest. All right, that's the highest. All right, so we're going to settings. I'm going to undo these two stuff so that the padding and the margin. All right, go to advanced, undo the padding and the margin. Let them be 0, 0. All right, so that space will not be in between. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this plus sign. Click on this plus sign so that you have access to where you can add image. And all right, you have access to elements. Now we're going to add image. You're going to drag this particular image here you are seeing here, because we want to add image to our page. So we'll drag it to, all right, we're going to drag our image there. Now we're going to click on it to edit. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to our gallery, our media. I'm going to look for a good media that we can insert. So any media you click here, you're going to insert it. So I'm just looking for a good media that is a bit landscape, that is not portrait. All right, so I'm looking for a media that is not portrait, a landscape media. So I think I just go with this one and see if it suits. All right, so this is manageable. We can use this. At least it's manageable. All right, so this is how you add your header image. All right, you can see just one image is going to span from the beginning. You're going to span from the beginning of your website to the end of your website. All right, so I'm also going to go out to check from other stuff over here. So check the width, make sure the width is 100%. Okay, because the image is actually not wide enough. The image is not wide enough, but it's manageable, as you can see. All right, so you can check all the padding, check all the margin, make sure that everything is intact, since you want the image to cover up the whole header website. So here we are going to add, if you want, in case you want to add write-up, you can see some header image that have write-up below it. You're going to do the same thing here. I'll go over to my text editor. I'm going to drag it in. Once you drag it in, you see the Lorapsium. This is the dummy text. You can go ahead and put your text here. All right, you can go ahead and put your text over here if you want your text to be under your header image.